Now in control panel, let's see the menu of users accounts and child protection. If we click here, we can see the user accounts. In this case there is just one user. We can change the password if we want. We can change the image. We can change the name of the account. Or we can change also the kind of the account. And also we can manage the characteristics of another account. Let's go back to here. Here we have kids at home. We can set a new account with features only to child. And also we can configure the email. We can add, we can erase accounts, and that's all.